Hello all. In this video, we are going to see about air conditioning systems working and diagnosis. General working. The major components are compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and evaporator core. First, the compressor starts to compress the refrigerant to high pressure, high temperature, gas. Then it reaches condenser and gets converted into high pressure, high temperature, liquid. Then it goes to expansion valve and gets converted into low pressure, low temperature, liquid. That liquid then enters the evaporator core from where we get the cold air inside the cabinet through a blower motor. In this process, the refrigerant gets converted into low pressure, low temperature, gas. Then the gas will be again compressed by the compressor and the cycle continues. Now let's see about diagnosis and its solutions in air conditioning system. Air conditioning system testing using manifold gauge. Install the high pressure line service port and low pressure line service port. Start the engine and turn on the AC. And set the blower at high speed and also set the temperature at the lowest. Run the system for 5 minutes, then close the valve in manifold gauge and note down the reading. Then compare the reading with respect to the ambient temperature in the below tabular column. If the readings are matching, then the system is working good. Compressor ECV valve test kit. Nowadays the compressor majorly works with the help of ECV, that is, electronic control valve. This valve controls the function and load of the compressor based on the driver's input. If this ECV is having some issues, we can check the following steps for diagnosing. Step 1. Remove the coupler of ECV and connect the ECV test kit coupler. Step 2. Check resistance using multimeter and confirm that the values are correct with respect to GSW values. Step 3. After checking, then connect the test kit to positive and negative of the battery. Then start the vehicle and switch on the AC. If cold air is coming for the HVAC unit, then the ECV is good. Note: be aware of ECV pin being bent during testing. Plug and unplug the connector carefully. The test kit can be distributed by the vendors. Now we will see the problem and its remedy based on the readings from manifold gauge. Number 3. If high pressure is 8 to 9 kilograms per centimeter square and low pressure is 0.8 kilograms per centimeter square, the possible problem can be insufficient refrigerant. The remedy is, we need to inspect for any leakage or contamination in the system. Number 4. If high pressure is 20 kilograms per centimeter square, low pressure is 2.5 to 3 kilograms per centimeter square, the possible problem can be overcharged refrigerant or clogged condenser. The remedy is inspecting the condenser fins damage, condenser deformation, and also for condenser clogging. Number 5. If high pressure is 23 kilograms per centimeter square, low pressure is 2.5 to 3.5 kilograms per centimeter square, the possible problem can be air in the system. The remedy is recover the refrigerant from the system, then create vacuum in the system and check for any leakage. Then recharge the refrigerant in the system. Note: if the problem prevails, replace the receiver and dryer. Number 6. If high pressure is 6 kilograms per centimeter square, low pressure is 760 millimeters of mercury, the problem can be dust or moisture in the system or clogged expansion valve. The remedy is replace the receiver and dryer, and also expansion valve if necessary. Number 7. If high pressure is 7 to 15 kilograms per centimeter square, low pressure is 500 millimeters of mercury, the problem can be the refrigerant is not circulated because of frozen expansion valve, and also moisture in the system. The remedy is recover the refrigerant from the system, then create vacuum in the system and check for any leakage. Then recharge the refrigerant in the system. Note: if necessary, replace the dryer. Number 8. If high pressure is 7 to 11 kilograms per centimeter square, low pressure is 4 to 6 kilograms per centimeter square, the problem can be due to insufficient pressure in the compressor. The remedy is inspect and replace the compressor if necessary. Thank you.